Hi friends, welcome to my channel, my first video. Today we are going to make Paneer Butter Masala. Simple way of making Paneer Butter Masala. For that we need paneer cubes, big onions sliced, tomatoes, and the spices here are cinnamon, cloves, 1 cardamom, jeera, anise seed, ginger, garlic, green chili and a few cashews. And the powder here I have taken is red chili powder and kasuri methi. This is a dried fenugreek here, as well as we would need a little bit of garam masala. So let's see how to make this dish. Now heat oil or ghee in a pan and I'm going to start adding all the spices. Cinnamon, cardamom, clove, cashews, jeera and anise seed. Once these flutter, let's add the ginger, garlic and green chili. Friends, let me remind you that we need to add some milk to grind, not water. So let's fry it for 2 minutes. Once this is soft, add onion. The onions are frying and we are going to add these tomatoes and fry these two until they become soft and soggy. Now we have been frying it for almost 5 minutes. It's turned soggy now. So let's add some salt. And the chili powder. Now let's allow it to cool and we will grind it into a paste with some milk. Now I'm going to add some milk and grind this into a fine paste. Now the paste is ready. So let's start making this butter masala. I've heated some oil in a pan. I've heated some butter in a pan. I'm going to add this paneer. So I've fried this paneer with some garam masala. I'm going to add this complete mixture. All the ingredients. Now I've added all the ingredients into this and it's come to a boil. I've added kasuri methi and I'm going to add 1 spoon of sugar into this to give a hint of sugar taste. Now the dish is completely ready and here is your paneer butter masala ready to eat. If you like this dish, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.